Be ready? Start. Walking is something that everyone needs to do. Full stop. Walking is a form of physical activity that can help improve mood and reduce stress. Full stop. Taking a walk in the morning is a habit that can help us in many ways. Full stop. One of the best ways to kick off the day is with a morning walk. Full stop. A morning walk is a great way to get in shape. Full stop. There are many ways to work out, comma, but walking is one that everyone can do and is easy to do. Full stop. Morning walk helps keep our body and mind in balance, comma, makes us feel healthy, comma, and relieve stress. Full stop. It helps us clear our minds, comma, plan for the next day and pay attention to anything and everything. Full stop. This can also help us sleep better at night and be more awake during the day. Full stop. Morning walk also makes bones stronger, comma, help people lose weight, comma, promote healthy aging, comma, and help keep diseases away. Full stop. It helps keep the body and its most organs in good state. Full stop. Para. Morning walk makes a lot of good things happen in our everyday lives. Full stop. During the walk, comma, you can meet a lot of new people, which makes you feel better. Full stop. In the morning, comma, the surroundings is free from dust and dirt. Full stop. The cool breeze, comma, the birds chirping, comma, the stream moving peacefully, comma, make the day beautiful. Full stop. All of these activities have positive effects on one's mental and spiritual health. Full stop. A morning walk helps everyone stay happy and healthy all day. Full stop. Walking is best in the early morning. Full stop. When you walk in the morning, comma, wear shoes of good quality and comfort. Full stop. Also, comma, the walk should take place in an open area with lots of trees and fresh air. Full stop. The walk should not be done too quickly or too slowly. Full stop. Morning walks should be done in the correct method to avail all of their benefits. Full stop. Para. Morning walking has lots of advantage in our daily life, but if practiced incorrectly, can cause some drawbacks. Full stop. A morning walk is considered a low intensity workout and it does not help you burn many calories. Full stop. If you walk wrong or do too much of it, full stop, you can also hurt your knees and joints. Full stop. When you go for a morning walk before eating anything, comma, your blood sugar level drops, comma, which can affect your blood pressure and heartbeat. Full stop. People of all ages can find treasures on a morning walk. Full stop. Everyone, whether they are young or old, should take a morning walk every day. If they cannot do jogging or run, full stop, stop.